everyone, hope everyone doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my Nepalese momo. Firstly, we're gonna start with our jhol achar, which is very important for our making momos. So let's get started. So get your hot pan, toast your soybean for a couple of minutes. Now you can add your sesame seed, toast them for a minute. After a few minutes, put it on the side, let it cool down. Now we need a hot pan, add some olive oil, add your cumin seed, now you can add your chilies, red chilies, add your tomatoes, cook them well. After cooking for a couple of minutes, now after a couple of minutes you can add your turmeric, add your Sichuan peppers, mix them well. Add your ginger garlic paste, add your lemon juice, add your salt to taste, add 4 cups of water. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Add your chopped coriander. Mix them well. Now we need our sesame seeds and soybean need to be blended. After that you can add your chutney mix and blend them well. I have tasted a little bit, it tastes really good. Okay, next step, we're gonna start with our momo mix. The ingredients are already displayed on your screen. Please collect all that ingredients and we can start right away. So we need cabbage, onion, spring onion, coriander, salt to taste, dark soy sauce, mustard oil, add your momo masala. If you don't have momo masala, you can add garam masala or curry powder. Your chilli powder, add fresh ginger garlic paste. Now mix them well. Now add your half cup of water, mix them well. It helps to moisten your momos. Next step, we're making our dumpling wrappers. I recommend you to make your own dumpling wrappers. I have made this video about this. Please have a look on my description below. Drop the link below and you can make your own dumpling wrappers. We are wrapping our momos. I'll show you a couple of type of momos we can make. This is one. Momo number 2. Momo number 3. This momo I haven't made for a while, so I might need a little bit of practice, but yeah, this is how it is. This is rose momo. So you put your 3 patties and just put a little bit of mix on the top and then fold it over and just roll it back slowly, and here you go, rose momo is here. Steam for 15 minutes, your momo is ready to go. After 15 minutes, your momo is ready. I like whiskey with my momos, so you can enjoy your momos with any drink you like. Guys, I'm not done yet. I got next video coming up. Right now, it's about me versus my wife. So who gonna cook better? So guys, we have come up with a new episode today. So we're gonna cook off our meal. So wife versus husband.